How to use Snapchat lenses. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will simply show you how you can use Snapchat lenses, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to use Snapchat lenses, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then open up Snapchat. Now Snapchat lenses are basically also called Snapchat filters. So if you'd like to use a specific filter, all you have to do is just tap on this little smiley icon, emoji icon on the right hand side, and then here you'll be able to see different types of filters. Now some filters require you to show your face, some filters require you to pull out your tongue, some filters or lenses require you to point a certain direction. It's just that whenever you scroll through these, you'll basically find the option. But let's say that you want to search for a custom filter, right? Well, that you can absolutely do that as well. And in order to do that, you have to scroll all the way to the right hand side of the screen over here. Once you scroll all the way to the right hand side, you'll find the explore lenses option, right? Just tap on explore. Over here you can simply search for the filter that you want to use or the lens. So let's say in this case I want to search for a sunset filter, right? I'll basically go ahead and search sunset, and if there are any types of filters related to my keyword, then I'll basically be able to find them over here as well, as you can clearly see. And it says to aim the camera at the sky. Now you can go ahead and then take a photo, you can record a snap, or whatever else is actually convenient for you. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually use Snapchat lenses. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.